Hello everyone! Today, I'll show you how to verify your card when adding it to Apple Pay. First, open your Settings app, scroll down and tap Wallet and Apple Pay. Tap Add Card, then choose Debit or Credit Card, and tap Continue. Enter your card details manually or scan the card. Agree to the terms and condition. Now, choose your verification method, either call your bank or get a code via text message. If you pick the text option, a code will arrive shortly. The code should autofill or you can enter it manually. Once verified, your card will be activated and ready to use. And that's it. That's how to verify your card when adding it to Apple Pay. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.